Next part of Access 7, we're going to actually do a little bit of coding. And not difficult code, but still making some operations function correctly. First thing we need to do is under the customer number control, where the name is, we need to change that from the default name to say customer underscore number. Remember how your naming convention is. However, Access is probably going to help us when we actually do the coding. We're going to do something like that very shortly. Under the Add Record button, if I right click and go to Build Event, it brings up the code for that button. Now, do you need to know this necessarily? No, but if you've taken any programming classes, some of this will look a little bit familiar. But what I need to do is on the right hand side under the Action Catalog, find under Database Objects, go to Control, and drag that into this area right above the if statement. And where you put it is important, so make sure you put it in the correct spot. This should look like figure 7-45 into 46. Now what we need to put in this box here is the name we just changed that to, which is customer number. And that's why I say Access will help us out, because it should list it in there for it. That will now change the action of that Add Record button when it's clicked. So hit Save and Close, and that now takes care of the Add Record button. Next thing we're going to do, similar but different, is we're going to click on the control up here for the name to find, and we need to do the same thing. Change the name from the default to name underscore to underscore find. And we're going to do some coding for that. Now the coding for this, a little different but similar, as I'm going to use the build event. I'm going to go to the code builder. And this looks similar to Visual Basic if you've ever done any Visual Basic programming. It's Visual Basic for applications. And the coding for this is on figure 7-50. What we need to do is make it look like they have their name defined equals customer underscore number. And then they put a comment, update, I can't spell today, the combo box. Okay, so that code now will work with the combo box. And if you close all this back down, it'll bring it up. You can always go back in and check your code if you need, and there it is. Okay, fantastic. Okay, and that's the coding we're going to do for those two elements.